Lord, you are worthy, worthy to be praised. You are worthy, worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised. Worthy to be praised. So one of you requested this song, Lord, you are worthy to be praised. So I will use G sharp, F sharp, and C sharp. Remember, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And this will help our channel to grow, okay? So if you're watching this from TikTok or Facebook, go to my YouTube channel, Sansa Mavestas Piano Seminary, and watch full video. Please don't forget to subscribe. All right, so I will first start breaking it down in G sharp. Okay, so I'll go to F sharp and C sharp. All right, so the song is very simple, né? In G sharp it starts right here. Lord, you are worthy, on first inversion, right? Then you go to 4, then you go to 6, then you go to 5, then you close it. Is where it says, Lord, you are worthy, worthy to be praised. Okay, it's very, very, very simple. I won't take it long on this one. As I mentioned, is 1, 4, 6, and 5, then 1. All right. So home Mhlekazi, that part it says ha, 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 you are worthy to be praised. So it's very simple. It's this chord, this one, and then it comes to this one, then it comes to this one, then it comes to this one, then it go back again, then it comes here, then it comes to 6, this one, then you go to 4, then 6, 5, then you close it. All right. So very simple. So that first part I said is 1, Lord, you are worthy. 1, worthy, 4, 6, then 5, then you close it. Then that part, what? It says 1, second inversion, 2, then 1, 5, then you go back again on 1, second inversion, 1, 5, 6, then you go to 4, 6, 5, then you close it. So this is how it is in A flat, which is also known as G sharp. Right? So this is how our song goes. So before any waste of time, let's go to F sharp. All right. So in F sharp it starts right here. Lord, you are worthy. Okay. Worthy to be praised. All right. I hope you saw it. Lord, you are worthy, worthy to be praised. Very simple. Lord, you are worthy. This is F sharp, remember? Lord, you are worthy. Then worthy to be. Then you close it. Praised. Oh, Mhlekazi. Then that part. This one. Okay. Then you come back again. So let me be slow. Ane, then you come back this one, then you come back to this one. Ne, you go back one, then come back this one 6. Then go back to this one, then come back to this one, then you close it. So this is how our song goes, alright? So yeah, before any waste of time again, let's go to C sharp, alright? So in C sharp, it starts right here. Lord, you are worthy, worthy to be praised. Okay? It's very simple. Lord, you are worthy, worthy to be praised. This one. Then you close it. That part is it says ha ha. This one ha. You are worthy to be praised. Alright. So yeah, it says this one, then you go back to this one, then you go back to this one, then you come here, and then you go again, then you go again, this one, and this one, then you close it. So yeah, Lord, you are worthy. Thank you for watching. Thanks so much.